Considering replacing the asphalt shingle roofing on your Lansdale, Pennsylvania home? Here's what you need to know about the life cycle of the standard asphalt roof. From the time the packaging is removed from your materials, the shingles begin to age. At the last of your roof, asphalt shingles are nailed into place on your Montgomery County home. The brand new phase of your roof begins. It will enter a period of rapid aging in which you may see granule loss, curling, and blistering while it begins to cure. After the 2 years of curing end, your Lansdale, Pennsylvania home's asphalt shingle roof will enter the midlife phase. During this period, you likely won't need significant asphalt shingle roof repair completed, but will need your annual roofing inspections. Once your shingle asphalt roof advances to 15 years or older, it will re-enter the rapid aging phase. You'll notice more signs of deterioration and eventually need an asphalt shingle roof replacement. For optimal results, turn to Baines Roofing, where we use the best asphalt roofing shingles installed by the top asphalt shingle roofing contractors in Lansdale, Pennsylvania. Call Baines Roofing at 215-855-ROOF to schedule a free estimate.